Welcome to this advanced tutorial on how generative AI, machine learning, and deep learning collaborate to create an intelligent digital product. If you are already familiar with the basics of these technologies, get ready to dive deeper and understand how they integrate seamlessly to power innovative applications. Let's start by visualizing a digital product as a layered system, often referred to as a vertical AI agent. Each layer has a distinct role, yet they work in harmony to deliver a complete solution. At the top, we have generative AI, the human interaction layer. This is where users directly experience the product's intelligence. Generative AI specializes in creating human-like interactions, whether it's generating text, answering questions, or producing creative content. Think of tools like ChatGPT or DALL. They enable users to engage naturally, masking the complexity beneath. This layer provides the face of the product, ensuring that interactions are intuitive, seamless, and engaging. Below generative AI lies the machine learning and deep learning layers. These form the core intelligence of the system. Let's break this down further. Machine learning models are responsible for learning from data and making predictions. They power features like personalized recommendations, fraud detection, or dynamic pricing. These models continuously adapt based on new data, ensuring the product remains relevant to evolving user needs. Machine learning operates as the decision-making layer, processing structured data and delivering real-time insights. Meanwhile, deep learning models, as a subset of machine learning, take on computationally intense tasks. They use deep neural networks to process unstructured data, such as identifying objects in images, translating languages, or detecting sentiment in text. Deep learning is what enables the rich understanding and contextual awareness that fuels generative AI. At the very foundation are data stores and infrastructure, the backbone of the entire system. High-quality, well-structured data is crucial for training both machine learning and deep learning models. These data pipelines ensure the system has access to the diverse and accurate datasets it needs to function effectively. Without this solid data layer, the intelligence above would lack accuracy and reliability. When all these components are combined, we get a vertical AI agent. This system is designed to handle specific tasks end-to-end within a domain, seamlessly integrating data processing, intelligence, and user interaction. Here's a practical example. Imagine a customer support chatbot. The generative AI layer interacts with the user, understanding and responding naturally. Behind the scenes, machine learning models predict the user's intent, identifying whether they're asking about an order, a return, or technical support. Simultaneously, deep learning models process unstructured inputs like images of receipts or voice commands to extract relevant information. All of this is powered by robust data stores, ensuring the system learns and improves with each interaction. In summary, the vertical integration of generative AI, machine learning, deep learning, and data infrastructure creates a powerful synergy. Generative AI ensures intuitive interaction, machine learning drives predictive intelligence, deep learning handles complex computations, and data stores form the essential foundation. Together, they deliver a comprehensive digital product capable of revolutionizing user experiences across industries. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge development tools. Meta Design Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us at this email ID. See you in the next video.